quickest and most efficient way for changing your EZS. In this case, the original EZS is missing, or it is not working and you only have the key. You have to connect donor EZS on bench and open as reader. Start Extreme MB Till software. Open EZS reader and choose EZS type. Read the information from the EZS. We need a password to prepare a temporary key for this EZS and turn the ignition on so we can read the hashes and the other data from the CU. Go to All Keys Lost and select the EZS model. Follow the instructions. Save the generated file. We send it to the server to calculate the password. We have a password. Go to EZS Reader. We save the file that will be used to generate the key dump. By choosing the SKC function, we load the file that has just been created, and we choose key number to generate, in this case number 7. We start our tool B keys. Use an empty key so we can program it with the generated dump. Put the ignition on with the key to make sure that the key is correctly programmed. Read EZS. We can see that key number 7 has already been activated. We connect the EZS in the vehicle and turn the ignition on using the key that we've just created. Open as reader. Choose the EZS and motor computer type of the vehicle. We then read the information from the motor computer via diagnostics with J253 for hardware connected. Read the hashes and the other data, which is needed to personalize the EZS. Open B keys. We read SSID. Save it to the EZS data. As we are preparing a dump, which later will be used to personalize the already renewed EZS, we would need to create a password. Create a dump with the data from the motor computer, which will be used to personalize the EZS to the car once we renew it in the next steps. We load the original file of the donor EZS that we saved in the first step when we calculated the password, so that we can renew it and then personalize it with the data from the motor computer. We are renewing the donor EZS. EZS is now renewed and it's ready for personalization. We need to make sure of that, so we read it. It is clearly ready for personalization. We load the file that we created with the hashes. Read from the motor computer. And we calculate the dealer password. Then we personalize the EZS by following the instruction. Job done. We read the EZS again and we can see that the data is programmed. We save the file from which we will generate the key. We click on SKC Calculator and we load the file that we've just created. We choose to generate a single key number or all of them. We then program with B in B key. And voila, we can then start the car and enjoy.